What if you start a YouTube channel without having to chase after money and subscribers? You can launch a faceless YouTube channel just to practice using AI in a practical way. Especially as a woman, you often have few use cases for AI in your everyday work. You don't need thousands of views right away. If you inspire just 10 people with the content of your video by sharing your message and what matters to you, it's already worth it. Just enjoy what you're doing, and if you end up making money from it someday, that's awesome. And if not, you've still gained a free AI education. What do you think? Did this inspire you? And if so, what will you do with it? You can, for example, learn how to use ChatGPT and other chatbots to generate texts and scripts, and to research content for your faceless channel, or how to generate images and videos. As you become more advanced, you'll also learn how to create agents and automations that make your work easier.
Hey, I'm Emma. I'm totally fascinated by what AI can do for us. As a mom with a little one at home, I don't always have the best conditions to film myself, but that's exactly why I'm starting this faceless YouTube channel. It's my own little project to learn, grow, and have some fun along the way. On this channel, I'll take you behind the scenes of my AI learning journey, especially for mindful women who want to try something new. So, are you ready to join me? Hit subscribe and let's explore the world of AI together.